partnership between the Welsh Government Energy Service and Neath Council has been instrumental in transitioning the council's fleet to electric vehicles and implementing sustainable energy solutions.
Well, the Energy Service has supported us with gap funding for a lot of the vehicle transition from diesel to full EV. They've also supported us in infrastructure projects, the main one being our large charge park. These vehicles are used for transporting vulnerable people in the minibuses, pest control. They're also used as a vehicle pool.
The project at Neath Talbot is a great example of using on-site generation to charge vehicles. The project here charges vehicles up during the day when it's sunny. If the vehicle demand isn't there, the power goes straight into the building. And obviously at night when there's no generation, the electricity will come from the building to charge the vehicles.
My advice for other organisations taking on similar challenges would be to look at the electrical infrastructure that you've got available to you, and if you need any upgrades you need to plan everything in, and also work closely with Welsh Government Energy Service to get the positive outcomes.
I think working with the local authorities, really need to take a data-driven approach to the transition, really understanding where the vehicles are going, how far they're going, and the types of vehicles. And that can really help plan the type of vehicle that can be purchased, the type of electric vehicle that can be purchased, and how often it needs to be charged.
The commercial fast chargers in the main yard were also funded by Welsh Government Energy Service and are offset by solar power. These are used to charge Neath Talbot's 16-tonne road sweeper and a 12-tonne recycling vehicle, contributing to a cleaner, greener Neath Talbot. The partnership between Neath Talbot Council and the Welsh Government Energy Service showcases the power of collaboration in achieving sustainable energy goals.